guys, it's Ash and welcome to my video. Before I get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Brandel Barnes, the founder of HBCU Pulse, and the reason that I'm here talking to you guys today, bringing you a couple of helpful tips about being black in corporate. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, follow all the social media handles, and subscribe to the newsletter. Everything will be in the description box below, but make sure you guys do that.
Back up in the sky, yeah.
I see the fakeness with my eyes. Tell me that they love me, no they hating in disguise. Find it hard.
So, hi, my name is Ashley Scott. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm a senior at Tuskegee University. This summer, I've had the amazing opportunity of interning at a Fortune 500 company all the way in California. I've been out here all summer, rent-free, with the paid internship, and I really just want to tell you guys how I did that and give you some tips on how I was successful in maintaining this internship. Okay, so honestly, I'm gonna keep this video short, sweet, and simple. I'm not gonna hold you long because I really want you guys to get the most out of this video, and I really want you to watch it, absorb it, understand it, and apply it to your life because this stuff works. Not even gonna lie, I did not come up with any of this stuff. None of this stuff I'm about to say is new. It's not new at all. It's things that people have been doing. I just want to make it available to you and help you the way somebody has helped me, because somebody told me these things. Number one, ask questions. Like, don't be afraid to ask questions. Literally, you ask not, you have not. Ask. If you don't know it, ask about it. The worst response that you can get from somebody is no. So never be afraid to ask a question. I promise you, no question is a dumb question. Seriously. People are always there to help you. It's the fact that letting somebody know that you need help. That's how I got my internship. I saw something that interests me and I simply asked a question. One thing led to another, and your girl was living her best life in California this summer. So ask questions. Number two, stay focused and stay ready. If you know what you want to do, then do the steps. Take the steps that are needed in order to get there. Prepare yourself. You never know when an opportunity is going to come up. You never know who's going to come and stop you, ask you a question. You never know who's going to slide in your DMs. You never know who's going to email you. So stay ready. Have your resume on ice. Have your elevator pitch ready to go. You never know who's going to stop you in the office. Just stay ready. Literally, life comes at you fast. I kid you not. It's crazy. I'm finna graduate. I was just a freshman. Life comes at you so fast. So literally stay ready and stay focused on your goals. There are gonna be a lot of opportunities that come at you that you might not wanna do. You might be like, I don't see how this fits into my future. This is something that I might not wanna do. But honestly, getting your foot in somewhere is a start. The department that I started off in this summer, I said to myself, this don't have nothing to do with what you want to do in life. So why are you taking this opportunity? You just wasted your time. And if I would have listened to myself, then I would be at home working at, I don't know where, the Wing Spot or something. I don't know. But literally, I'm so glad that I took this opportunity because it got my foot in the door. And that's what you want to do. You want to get your foot in the door. Number three. Now, this is a huge one. So if you wasn't listening to nothing, listen to this one. This one right here. Network. That's the key to life. I wish I knew how to edit some horns. You know them DJ Khaled horns? Like, networking is the key to life. Sometimes it's not what you know, it's who you know. I mean, I'm sorry to say it, but that's true. Networking is your life. And the fact that you probably go to a HBCU already has helped you. So I'm just saying, networking is key. Building relationships, staying in contact, that's key. I don't know where this thing came from where people was like, oh, I don't like people, No, you're going to have to get out of that if you want to get a job. You're going to have to get out of that if you want to, like, be successful. you're gonna have to make some relationships, and you're gonna have to keep those, especially in corporate America. That's how you get your job. Like, working at this company has really opened my eyes to see that sometimes it's not what you know, it's who you know. You can know everything in the world, but if you don't have no connection, if you don't have nobody to put you on, I mean, don't get me wrong, you probably can do it yourself, which is good, but it makes it easier knowing somebody. And when you get where you're headed, or when you get to where you feel you're successful, don't forget to reach back and help somebody just like somebody probably helped you, because I know I won't. Number 4, be confident, and I can't stress this enough. Confidence, like, that's it. 9 times out of 10, don't nobody else know what you're talking about but you, so it doesn't matter. Be confident in what you say. Be confident in how you present yourself. And what my mama always told me, when you look good, you feel good. So just for success, whatever makes you feel better, whatever will help you present yourself better, you do that. You need something that sets you apart. You need something else that sets you apart from all of these applicants, because everybody has a college degree. These days, everybody has a college degree. Everybody probably knows the same thing you know. That's why they're applying for the job. So literally, your confidence can set you apart from another applicant. And I told y'all I wasn't gonna hold y'all long. This is the last one. I promise you, don't be afraid of failure. Failure is the key to growth. If you don't try, then you'll never know what you can do. I almost missed out on my opportunity, guys. I'm telling you, I almost did not apply for this internship because I said, oh my God, I even apply for this internship? And I said, what can it hurt? I mean, because the worst they're going to tell me is no, right? The worst they would say is, oh, I'm sorry, you ain't make the cut. Okay, cool. But, like, literally, don't be afraid of failure. Stay persistent. If you know this is something that you want to do, keep doing it. And I promise you, if you use these keys to success that I just gave you, life will be so much easier. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so glad that I got to share these helpful tips with you. They have literally made a difference in my life. Like I said before, somebody told me this, so I'm just sharing it with you guys. And if you want to keep in touch, if you want to know how my internship went, if you want me to connect you with somebody, subscribe to my channel. Reach out to me on Instagram at ash.exo__, and I'll be happy to help you with anything you need. If you like this video, go ahead and give it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, then tell me why you don't like it in the comments below. If you want to share your experience with your internship in life, your experience at a HBCU, go ahead and reach out to HBCU Pulse, because I know Randall would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.
Essential feet cause I'm the prize. Let me tell you something true, girl. Rock with me, I'll show you a brand new world.